What's up, guys? We just got a report of a dowitcher at Trout Run wastewater treatment plant. We're gonna go check it out and see what it is, what species. Right here we have a solitary sandpiper, another solitary sandpiper. Right there is another solitary sandpiper. Right there is a killdeer. Right there is another solitary sandpiper. And right there is the short-billed dow, which was the species that I was targeting here. Looks like right there, that might be a least sandpiper. If he would stop grooming himself, I could get a better look at him. Scroll over, that looks to be a greater yellow legs. They're a little bit larger than the lesser yellow legs I saw earlier today, and they have more of a longer upturned bill. Come over. There's a semi-plover right there feeding. Here's some selection of peeps. Looks like we have semi-palmated sandpipers and least sandpipers in the group. Here's a good example of a spotted sandpiper constantly wagging its tail up and down. Alright guys, that's going to do it for the video. I hope you like it, and thank you for